What if I told you that thousands of people in the UK lose their pension money every single year? Not because they're not eligible, but simply because they never claimed it. Yes, you heard that right. Today, I'm going to explain who can claim the UK state pension, how to claim it step by step, and most importantly, what happens if you don't claim your pension on time. If you or someone in your family
could save you thousands of pounds. So let's get straight into it. Part 1. Who can claim UK state pension? The UK state pension is paid by the government, but not everyone qualifies automatically. First, age. Currently, most people can claim their state pension at the age of 66. Depending on your date of birth, this may increase to 67 or even 68 in the future. Second, national insurance contributions. You need at least 10 qualifying years of national insurance to receive any pension. Around 35 years to receive the full state pension. If you worked in the UK, paid national insurance, or even received certain benefits, those years may already count towards your pension. Part 2. How to claim UK pension, step by step. Here's something many people don't realize. Right pointing backhand index. Your state pension does not start automatically. You must actively claim it. There are 3 ways to claim your UK pension. Option 1. Online. This is the fastest and easiest method. You'll need your national insurance number and bank details. Option 2. By phone. You can call the UK Pension Service and complete your claim with an advisor. Option 3. By post. You can request a form and send it back by mail. You can usually claim your pension up to 4 months before you reach state pension age. Once approved, payments are normally made every 4 weeks directly into your bank account. Part 3. What happens if you don't claim your pension? Now let's talk about the most important part, the risks of not claiming. If you don't claim your pension, crossmark you won't receive any payments. Crossmark you could lose months or even years of pension income. Crossmark back payments are limited, meaning lost money may never be recovered. Crossmark you may struggle financially during retirement without regular income. Many people wrongly assume the government will contact them or start payments automatically. But that's a costly mistake. There is an option called pension deferral, where you delay your claim on purpose. Yes, this can slightly increase your future payments, but it's a financial decision that should be made carefully. Not claiming by mistake is very different from delaying by choice. Part 4. How much is the UK state pension? As of now, the full UK state pension is worth over £200 per week, which is more than £10,000 per year. The exact amount depends on your national insurance record, but for many retirees, this pension is the backbone of their retirement income. So remember, check your pension age, check your national insurance record, and most importantly, claim your pension on time. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it, because missing your pension is missing money you've already earned.